by request, we are back at the Cathedral of Learning. And let's do another update on the Otis compass elevators. Alright, let's go inside. I haven't been here in a while, so let's see how they're doing. We'll cross through here and take a look at this atrium. Look at this lobby. You have a multi-story atrium. Very Art Deco. And let's go check up on the Otises. We'll start off with the low rise because we do not give them any attention at all. Elevator K. Focus. And, alright, so my baggage is at the wall. Here we go.
Level 23. Going down.
Now these ones are different than the one in the lobby. We're going to go down to 1.
Going down.
Elevator K. Let's get a cab view. These are very nice elevators. They are a lot smoother now and they don't get stuck as often. Again, those are your only controls in the cab, again, because this is Otis Compass. Elevator K. And we'll watch our destination go out.
Level 1.
Very nice.
Going up.
Now, let's take a look at the high rise. I never used one of the standing up keypads, so we'll take a look at those and we'll use the handicap feature.
Press the button repeatedly to include floor 30.
Elevator H. Awesome. Now this one is very temperamental.
H has arrived.
I have been stuck in this elevator before when it was a Westie and a Compass.
Elevator H has arrived.
The door close button works.
Elevator
Here we go.
has arrived. Elevator H has arrived. Elevator H has arrived.
And we're shaking. My ears just popped.
Level 36.
Now let's take a view. Now look at this view. Just amazing. You can see for miles. We'll take a look at the other side. There's Children's Hospital, and you can see downtown a little bit. And there's where the time lapse was taken. And let's go back downstairs. And we'll take the ground. Elevator F. The mod is complete. These got Bomco 30T motors. These are the same as the other elevators, but they are very nice. You have Otis, compass, destination dispatch, and you have a red light blinking in there for some reason. We're gonna watch G go out. We are like bouncing. I feel like a roller coaster.
Level G.
Here we are on ground. Let's take a look at the new annunciator. And there it is. Look at that. Alright. Let's check out the P card. We haven't taken a look at this car in a while. And it's still got that annoying fan. They got new handrails. Nothing much has changed to this. And you have empty buttons. Door close button doesn't work. Here we go. Hasn't changed a bit, but it is hot in here. Now, let's go check out the O car. Here's what everyone's been waiting for. The new O car. As you can tell, look, it's a Gen 2. It doesn't have a retarded door timer. And it talks and my bag hit the wall. 40. 38. 37. Yay, we're locked off. It's a nice cab. It's a lot nicer. That's where the old panel used to be, right there. But yeah, it's locked off. Oh well. Epic fail. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this cathedral tour. Now we get. What's your channel?